Shop vacs are vital for every shop. The problem is that they can take up a lot of space, especially if you're a homeowner without enough workshop space. Luckily, smaller shop vacs are available for these small spaces. While these shop vacuums typically have less power, they can be suitable for some situations. However, it is essential to get one that isn't too weak, or it may not do the trick for most jobs. There are many factors to consider when choosing a suitable small shop vac. They are not all the same and vary widely in price. You'll find our mini shop vac reviews in this video so that you can discover the best small shop vac for your situation. Starting our list at number 5 is the Portability PCX18301-4B Wet/Dry Vacuum. The Portability PCX18301-4B Wet/Dry Vacuum is a stout, compact machine. If you're worried about storage, this mini shop vac can likely fit anywhere. It has a large on-off switch that is water-resistant. You don't have to worry about it wearing down during hard and dirty work. It has a 4-gallon capacity, which should be plenty for most homeowners. The Portability has a high-performance motor, providing maximum suction. It isn't necessarily as powerful as other models. However, it should be plenty for most uses. The stainless steel base prevents tipping, and it comes with a quick-lock hose. Casters allow the machine to move easily and help it swivel in all directions during use. With that said, the hose is a bit short. It doesn't include attachments, which may not be a problem for everyone. Next, in 4th place, we have the Armor All AA255 Wet/Dry Utility Shop Vacuum. The Armor All AA255 Wet/Dry Utility Shop Vacuum is smaller than the first one we reviewed. It only holds 2.5 gallons, which is half the size of most smaller shop vacs. The engine is much less powerful as well. It was one of the weakest that we tested. The cord is 10 feet long and is a bit longer than some of the other ones we looked at. Despite its affordable price, the Armor All vac has a blower function. Regarding storage, this small shop vac is about as storable as it comes. There is a cord wrap for the cord, an onboard hose, and accessory storage. Because the machine is so small, it easily fits underneath a table or in a closet. However, the small size means you'll need to empty it more often. If you're a homeowner who doesn't plan on using it much, though, this shouldn't be a significant problem. If you need to save cash, this is the best small shop vac for the money. Taking the 3rd spot is the DeWALT DXV14P Poly Wet/Dry Vac. This DeWALT DXV14P Poly Wet/Dry Vac is not very small. It holds 14 gallons, which is much larger than some of the other brands we've listed. Because it is so much larger, it is quite a bit more expensive. However, it may be a good option for those who need something a little larger than the other shop vacs we've mentioned. With 6 horsepower, HP, the engine on this machine is pretty powerful. It shouldn't have a problem sucking up most materials, including liquids. The rubberized casters are very durable, and the wheels provide extra durability. There is a storage pack attached to the back for storing accessories. However, this machine isn't focused on storability. A sizable built-in tank drain makes it easy to remove liquids from the machine. We particularly like this feature, though you likely won't use it very much if you don't clean up liquids often. In 2nd place, we have the Vacmaster Professional Wet/Dry Vac. The Vacmaster VFB511B0201 Professional Wet/Dry Vac is tiny. It only holds 5 gallons. However, it should be big enough for the average homeowner. It won't take up too much room and is quite stout. Even if you're low on space, you should be able to store it somewhere quite easily. The hose storage is integrated, which makes it look very tidy when it's put away. The cord is 18 inches long, which should be plenty for most people. The Vacmaster has a high-efficiency motor and is pretty powerful for its size. This motor is handy when cleaning up water due to its superior suction, and you can also easily convert it to a blower. While you probably won't use this feature too much, it's extremely helpful when you do need it. There's not much to dislike about the Vacmaster, which makes it our pick for the best overall small shop vac. Finally, at the top of our list is the CRAFTSMAN CMXEVBE17595 Wet/Dry Vac. The CRAFTSMAN CMXEVBE17595 is a fantastic addition to any cleaning arsenal. Its versatility and performance have consistently exceeded expectations over 5 years of use. One of its standout features is the ability to handle heavy outdoor yard cleaning effortlessly. It easily sucks up gallons of dirt, soil, and old pine cones, transforming massive jobs into manageable tasks. Beyond yard work, this vacuum excels in water removal during floods, freezer cleanups, leaf blowing, and seasonal cleanups. Despite its large and bulky appearance, it is surprisingly light and easy to maneuver. Initially, there might be some hesitation before purchasing this product, but each use reaffirms it is the right decision. Highly recommended for anyone needing a reliable and versatile cleaning solution. I hope this comparison has helped you choose the best compact shop vac for all your lightweight cleaning tasks. Whichever of the top 5 mini vacs you purchase, you'll have an assistant that packs powerful suction into a portable package. And with features like onboard tool storage, washable filters, and removable canisters, your new vac is ready to pick up wherever mess comes its way. Be sure to order yours today, so you'll be set for all your upcoming projects. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next Tools Showdown.